We'll guide you through how to create an Asana roadmap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Projects tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the plus sign to create a new project. Choose the blank project option for maximum flexibility. Give your project a name, like Product Roadmap, and select the list view to keep everything organized. Now, you'll want to set up sections for each major phase or initiative. Click ADD section at the top right of your project view. Name these sections according to your roadmap phases, such as research, development, and launch. Next, under each section, you can add tasks by clicking ADD Task. These tasks are the specific actions or deliverables needed to complete each phase. Assign tasks to team members by clicking on the Assign AE field within each task. You can also set due dates by clicking on the calendar icon next to the Assignee field. To visualize your roadmap better, switch to the Timeline view by clicking the Timeline tab at the top of your project. This will give you a Gantt chart-style view, showing task dependencies and timelines. You can click and drag tasks to adjust their start and end dates directly on the timeline. If you want to add dependencies, click on a task and drag the blue dot to another task to create a dependency line. This helps you and your team understand the order in which tasks need to be completed. Finally, to share your roadmap with stakeholders or team members, click the Share button at the top right corner. You can enter their email addresses to invite them to the project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.